Ukrainian Armed Forces show rare footage of modernized Bastion-01 multiple rocket launcher in action. The Ukrainian Defense Forces have Soviet, foreign and Ukrainian multiple rocket launchers in service. The latter include the Bastion-01. Here's what we know: the Ukrainian Armed Forces have recently filmed a video showing the combat operation of a domestic multiple rocket launcher system. We last wrote about the use of the Bastion-01 in July last year, so the footage can be considered rare. Bastion-01 is a Ukrainian upgrade of the Soviet BM-21 Grad missile system. It appeared in 2008. One of the key innovations is the ability to target and fire automatically. In addition, the system is equipped with satellite communications. The launcher has 40 rails for 122 mm rockets. As the chassis is used KRAZ 6322 RA 6x6. The vehicle is able to reach speeds up to 85 km per hour and has a cruising range of 500 km. It is worth noting that the Ukrainian Defense Forces have the Bastion-02 multiple rocket launcher in service. We published a video of its operation last month. This version has additional ammunition and supports the installation of 2 portable anti-aircraft missile systems.